Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is depreciation methods, a very important concept in accounting and finance, especially for students and beginners. Now don't worry, no complex maths, no deep calculations. Depreciation methods explained in a simple and practical way. By the end of this video, you'll clearly know how different depreciation methods work and where they are used. So let's get started. What is depreciation? Depreciation means reduction in the value of an asset over time. For example, a machine, a vehicle, a computer. As time passes, they get used. They become old, their value decreases. This decrease in value is called depreciation. Important point, land does not depreciate. But things like buildings, machines, furniture, vehicles do depreciate. Why do we charge depreciation? Now you might ask, why do businesses calculate depreciation? Here are some simple reasons. 1. To show true profit. If we ignore depreciation, profit will look higher than reality. 2. To show correct asset value. Assets should not be shown at original cost forever. 3. For proper expense matching. Asset cost is spread over its useful life. So depreciation helps businesses stay accurate and realistic in accounting. Depreciation methods. There are different methods to calculate depreciation because assets are used differently. Some lose value faster, some slowly. In this video, we'll cover the main basic methods. 1. Straight line method. 2. Written down value method. 3. Annuity method concept only. Advanced methods will be covered in another video. 1. Straight line method. This is the simplest and most popular depreciation method. Basic idea. Asset loses equal value every year. Example. Imagine a machine is used for 10 years. Its value reduces equally each year. So every year, same depreciation amount. Same expense in profit and loss account. Key features. Easy to understand, same depreciation every year. Asset value reduces slowly and evenly. Where it is used. Furniture, buildings, office equipment. Advantage. Very simple. Profit remains stable. Disadvantage. Not realistic for assets that lose value faster in early years. To written down value method. Now let's move to a more realistic method. Basic idea. Depreciation is charged on the remaining value, not original cost. So a higher depreciation in early years. Lower depreciation in later years. Simple understanding. Think about a new car. Value drops a lot in first few years. Later, the value drops slowly. That's exactly how WDV works. Key features. Depreciation reduces every year. Asset value never becomes zero easily. More realistic for machines. Where it is used. Machinery, vehicles, plant, and equipment. Advantage. Matches real asset usage. Tax-friendly in many cases. Disadvantage. Profit is lower in early years. Slightly harder than straight line, but still easy. 3. Annuity method. This method considers interest on capital invested. Basic idea. Asset not only depreciates, but also has a cost of money invested. So depreciation plus interest are combined. Important note, rarely used in practice. Mostly theoretical, used for long-term assets. We won't go into calculations here, just understand the concept. Great! Here is the next part of the script, continuing the topic depreciation methods. This part is also calculation light, YT friendly, and fits another 12 to 15 minutes. This is part 2 of our topic depreciation methods. Now, we'll continue with more depreciation methods, still keeping things simple and easy to understand. So let's move ahead. For sinking fund method, basic idea. Money is set aside every year to replace the asset in future. Instead of just reducing asset value, a fund is created, amount is invested. At the end, enough money is available to buy a new asset. Simple example, imagine a company knows that a machine will be replaced after 10 years. Every year, some money is saved for that purpose. That saved amount equals sinking fund. Key features, ensures money availability. Good for costly assets, includes planning for replacement. Where it is used, large machinery, power plants, heavy equipment. Advantage. No financial burden at replacement time. Disadvantage: complicated, requires investment management. 5. Insurance policy method. Basic idea. A life insurance policy is taken for the asset. Every year, premium is paid. On maturity, insurance amount is received. That money is used to replace the asset. Important note: similar to sinking fund method. Difference is money is paid as insurance premium, where it is used when companies want guaranteed return. For long-term assets, advantage: safe and secure, fixed maturity value. Disadvantage: less flexible, rarely used today. 6. Revaluation method. Basic idea: asset is revalued every year. Depreciation equals opening value, closing value. Simple understanding: used when asset value is uncertain, assets are used irregularly. Common examples: tools. Loose equipment, small value assets. Key features: simple, no fixed rate, depends on yearly value. Advantage: very easy, suitable for small assets. Disadvantage: not accurate for big assets. 7. Depletion method. Basic idea: used for natural resources, value reduces as resources are extracted. Examples: mines, oil wells, forests. Depreciation depends on quantity extracted, resource usage. Key feature: based on actual usage. Suitable for wasting assets. Advantage: very realistic. Disadvantage: requires estimation of total resources. Special mention: machine hour method. Basic idea: depreciation based on machine usage hours. More usage equals more depreciation. Less usage equals less depreciation. Used when machine usage varies every year. Advantage: fair method, matches actual usage. Disadvantage: needs proper tracking. Exam and practical tip: always choose method based on asset nature. Exams often ask meaning, features, advantages and disadvantages, suitability. No need to panic with calculations. Concept clarity matters most. So this completes depreciation methods, full topic. If you watched both parts, you now understand all major methods. You can answer theory questions confidently. If this helped you, like the video. Comment depreciation done. Subscribe for more finance content. See you in the next topic. Thank you for watching.